Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to my channel again. I know it's been a while. I've just had I've had a crazy life schedule, and as some people know me, you know where I work. I got a crazy work schedule as well, so it's been really tough to get some things done. But nevertheless, I'm never going to stop. I'm going to keep getting in here and making some videos when I can. But if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I have gotten a new lid, new helmet, and I'm actually able to use the old, finally able to try out the chin mount GoPro angles. So hopefully that works out really well. I'm really excited about it. I was tired of having that big side mount like my boy Ray 3866 having to do right now. Shout out to him. I know how bad it sucks, all that drag you get off of it. But I got this new helmet. It's an Icon, I think Alliance Chieftain. So I got a pretty good deal on it. But I love it. I love the pattern, and it's so much more comfortable. The anti-fog is awesome on it. Also, another thing I want to mention is I live in LaGrange, in Georgia, and it's the beginning of October, and why in the frick is it still 85, 90 degrees outside? I don't understand what's going on. Global warming? I don't know. But the main reason I wanted to do this video is I had this idea on my heart for a long time, and I've actually talked to my wife about a lot of ideas and stuff, and some other friends of mine, of some ideas and stuff that I have. And everybody, if you're the same way, if you're like a YouTuber, a moto vlogger, or if you have any kind of ideas that you want to do in life, like just, business ideas, whatever you want to do, I mean, you talk to anybody about any of these ideas, and you know what the answer is going to be when you tell them? Oh, that's been done. Everybody's doing that. But here's the thing, everybody knows that because it's 2018, okay? There's the internet. Everything's been done. Just about everything's been done. So, I mean, it's not totally wrong. Let me get to this freaking intersection. Oh, turn signal now, okay. But, like I was saying, it's 2018, we've got the internet, you got social media, you got media in general, everything's everywhere. Everything's at everybody's fingertips. Everything has been done. Okay? So there's no issue with me or anybody else trying whatever the heck they want to do, because it's not always about what you're doing, especially nowadays, because everything's been done. It's more about how you do it. Can you do it better than the next person? Do you enjoy doing it? That is the main thing. Maybe, it depends on what your goals are when you're doing whatever you're doing, but are you going to go faster? Come on, guy. Okay, but anyway, it really depends on, do you enjoy what you're doing? And I say that is the main thing. You got, no matter what anybody tells you, do what you want to do and do what you love. Because like I said, everything's been done. But you know what? It's always your turn to try your hand at whatever you want to do. Because who knows what's going to happen if you got a business, say you got a business idea, but everybody's done it. But it's always your turn to give it a try, because you might be better than the next 10 guys that's done it before you, or the next, 1,000 people who's done it before you. Here's a tricky intersection. We're gonna go for it. But yeah, like I said, it really matters, you know, it depends on what your goals are. If you're out there to make money and you're doing the same thing that everybody else is, the same crap you've seen everybody else do, but you really want to do it, do it. Don't let anybody make you lay down and be like, okay, yeah, you're right, it's a horrible idea because everybody's doing it. It's always your turn. Always give it a shot and do what you want to do, because you only got one life to live, you know, and don't let anybody tell you that you can't do something. As long as you enjoy doing it, I say go for it. But that's pretty much the gist of this video. I wanted to get something out there. You know, I know it's been a while. It's been hard to post because I've got so much going on. My work schedule changes all the time. So yeah, I also got a new lid, so hopefully I can do a video of that soon. I can show you guys angle to angle and how everything's set up, and let you know how it's been working out. It's been working out great so far, but I've just been commuting with it pretty much, and everything's been pretty good about it, you know, good on it. Like I said, the anti-fog is outrageous on this thing, man. It's got the pin lock system on it, but you know, I'll explain all that in another video, and hopefully this camera angle's great. You know, I had to improvise with what I had, because I had a lot of pieces here and there. I had to put everything together and see what would work, but as far as the GoPro mount. But yeah, I'll do another video for that, and hopefully that's coming up soon. But until next time, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. You can even follow me on Instagram. And I do a lot of family stuff, you know, motorcycle stuff, you know, whatever. Updates on life, whatever, you know. But yeah, follow me on Instagram if you want to. And I hope you all have a great, blessed day. Peace out.